Hello everyone and welcome to BCC Art Studio. Today we are going to be making a trinket dish. So I have some white Primo that I conditioned out on setting 3, and I have some ink on my hands. So I'm going to use a stencil to start off with. And I'm just going to press it in there. Because sometimes when you roll these flimsy stencils out, they tend to want to roll along with the roller and lift up and move. So I'm just going to use my fingers and press this down. You want to make sure you get all of the spots that you want in there pressed down nice and firmly to give it a nice deep pattern. Not too bad. Next, we are going to take some alcohol inks and we're just going to spread those around. I am using GRDZ Plus metallic alcohol inks. And I'm going to take a paintbrush and I'm just going to spread this around. And we're going to let that dry for about 15 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, so now we are going to add some mica powders. I'm just going to add a little on my finger, just brush in a few spots. Alright, time to take it off the table. Alright, now I need to cut a shape out, and I'm going to, I think I'm going to use this. Let's see what I can get out of there. and just use my X-Acto knife and cut around it. You can see what I'm doing. Now I have a piece of black Primo conditioned out on level 3 on setting 3 on my pasta machine, and I'm going to place this stencil over the top, and I'm going to roll it out a bit. I'm going to grab some colors. And I'm going to brush some of these on here. Try to open them very carefully so I don't spill any. Actually, I want a different gold. I'm going to use that gold. Now I'm going to take a large brush and I'm going to brush away the excess. Now it is time to move the stencil. Ta-da! Now before we move that, I need to get a piece of paper so I can furnish it. Now I'm not pushing too hard, I'm just pushing those colors in. And this is what you have. So now I need to cut the circle out of that. Now I'm going to place this on the back of the other piece. And hopefully get it lined up. Hopefully. Because if it's not, well, it's going to have to be. It's hard to do this under the camera and make sure I'm still under the camera. Alright, so I have these pieces, which I'm going to burnish just to hold them together.